She looks like she's staring straight at him, but a female jumping spider pulls a wild trick that almost no one notices. Her main eyes lock onto the male's dance, so he thinks he has her full attention. But her other 6 eyes quietly scan everything else, which means she's judging predators, rivals, and his every move at the same time. And that's why scientists say she's never really looking in just one place, even when it seems like it. She's sharing the work across all 8 eyes. Like, comment, and subscribe for more strange wonders.